Oh, that is quite the effort in there.
pressure to hop and skip.
No, what? Going down just a bit.
It's just easier to find. So.
Okay.
So let's see. The medical complex. Actually. That's,
No.
but it is up that road because that's the little lake by your school. So it's going to be up this way.
I mean the Essex with the Westbrook like town center one.
So this is the one if you're going up, that's a plane.
Yeah, Lee Company. Yeah.
Lee Company?
Yeah, the Lee Company.
I think it was two different Lee Companies locations. Oh, so you're over that way.
Yeah, so it's the one by the pond.
Yeah, so I think that's the medical building you're talking about.
Yep. And we're flying over my neighborhood right now.
Like right below us?
Yep.
There you go. I don't know where your house is, but
So neat.
the birds flying right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go over to Goodspeed Airport. I think the landing or something. Hey, control the airplane here. You got it. You just fly this way. Kind of hold this heading here. We'll go up the river and then we're going to turn.
Okay.
Goodspeed Airport by the. Well, actually.
Yeah. What do you mean? Yeah, I got it. Okay. Keep banking left.
Just hold this for a moment.
Okay.
Parallel the runway here. And we start slowing down when it adds the back pressure.
Traffic on the down will be on the inside.
So we're going to start slowing the airplane down first to 70, then to 65. Which will get there at about 60.
Okay.
Now you're going to make a turn here to the left.
Take a turn.
Goodspeed traffic, I'm turning in the left base, 1 4 Goodspeed. Increasing power. Alright, about that right there. We're going to fly right over the top of the bridge, basically right in the center of it. Traffic, sky on the bridge. Right.
5 mile final for runway 20.
Off the right.
Yeah, just right here. Yeah, just hold this. Okay. And more back pressure. But now we're going to judge our speed by our back pressure. As we increase back pressure, we slow down. As we loosen it up, we speed up.
Okay.
So you can follow along here with me. Goodspeed traffic, I'm turning to the final look for on the grass. Alright, so we're going to land on the right side of the runway. We're going to land on the grass there.
Okay.
That's what this airplane is made for. Grass landings. Well, landing's going to be really smooth. It's actually kind of bumpy.
Okay.
You're like, oh, that's a smooth landing. Then you're bouncing the back. Don't roll this grass. Smooth runway, but it's a cool runway. So right over the top of the bridge. We're just kind of cruising along here at 60. We can actually go way down to the circle, actually. Increasing our back pressure.
That was smooth.
Yep. Yeah. There we go. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Way better than an airline. Alright, so now put this in. Taxi back. Goodspeed traffic. I'm doing a taxi back 14 If you want a taxi, so what you do, you're going to put your feet back up top.
Yep.
So you're just going to, so as you come to the left here, you're actually going to start pushing on your right foot. So you lead your turn really early.
Okay.
So now you've got the right now you're actually going to start pushing on the left foot. So you can see forward. Yep. Change in your head direction. Now go ahead and push on the right foot. That's the idea. It's just so you can see. That's all. Hopefully, so no kids or something airplane.
Hope there's no kids in the